Huvilinnantie, Slotsvägen. It was built in 1998, 99, turn of the year 1998, 99, but was replaced already in 2017 with 6 floors, but still with a wooden interior at least. But we don't know what the manufacturer was here before.
Yeah.
It's unknown. Maybe it was EGV, maybe something cheap.
Yeah.
That's why they replaced this. And this number is 4298339. So the capacity is 8 versus oxygen 80 grams. Could have been CMAG also before.
Yeah.
I guess it could have been CMAG or EGV before.
Yeah.
So I don't think they would have replaced Schiller D elevators that early yet.
Yeah.
Perhaps. But I'm not sure, but probably not.
Yeah.
Probably it was CMAG or EGV before.
Yeah.
We expect it next year, 2023. And the CSV has 5 floors, so this one is still better.
Expected by Vespter, maintained by Kone.
And also there's a door close button here, which is not found in all of these type.
Yeah.
All of this type. In all of these elevators of this type. To sell them, they put the door, they have the door close button.
Yeah.
That's it.
That's